sugar, peanut butter, and syrup.
Wow. It's so good.
You gonna put some jelly on it?
No.
Hello you guys, good morning. So right now we're at outside and I have a coffee right now. So I'm going to look at here kasi may tinanim ako na okra. Nandito yung pusa. Okay, let's go this side. Maganda ngayon oh. Hindi maginaw, hindi mainit. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Medyo may ano na siya, lumalabas. So, ito yung onion ko. Sobrang payat guys. Napayat yung ano. So yan guys, may lumalabas na siya. Isa. Dito. Wala. Then dito parang wala din kasi parang malalim yung pagtanim ko. Sana mabuhay siya kasi nag-iisa lang siya dito sa ano, sa side na dito. Maingay. May naglalakad. So dinala ko yung sunglasses ng asawa ko. Yan. Sinag din. Yan. So right now guys, kape muna ako before ako magluto ng ano, breakfast. Kasi ano, it's today is a Father's Day, Sunday. So walang masyadong ganap, just dito lang sa bahay at saka simple lang. Kasi yung asawa ko gusto lang niya ano, mag-relax lang daw. So magluto lang ako ng probably bacon at saka grits maya para sa breakfast niya. Pero natutulog pa sila guys. So nandito lang ako sa labas. Maghintay ng mga siguro 1 hour. Sana magpunta ng store kaso lang today's weekend. So I'm assuming that many people nagsha-shopping. So iwas muna kami mag-shopping during sa weekend kasi that's a lot of people and crowded, and especially today it's a Father's Day here. And yeah. So walang masyadong ganap guys dito lang sa bahay like every day. Ang yung pusa namin so lonely. Hey Sophie. Oh my, stop. I get too much hair. You're silly cat. Guys, yung bird at saka aso maingay. Si Sophie nag-wonder. Favorite niya mag-hangout dito sa labas, yung pusa. So, hayaan mo na siya dyan. Sophie, what you leaking out there? She heard something. So guys, nagluto ako ng bacon, tapos nag-smoky siya. Sobrang init. tayo ng waffle, guys. Daughter requested. So you all know that they are cooked done the waffle because this one the light gonna be stopped, so we're gonna wait. Babe?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
I'm about ready.
Oh, I'm cooking for Ellen just waffle.
Okay. We just have to be there by 2:30. What are you getting? Waffles?
Can you do it this one day?
That's okay. Finish cooking up for her.
You guys are going right now?
We're not in that big of a rush. I might eat a waffle anyways. You can get something before we go.
Okay.
What a good mommy you have.
I know.
I know.
Waffle for me.
I asked for it. You're welcome.
So we have a first batch.
See if you can live.
Then this is peanut butter for daughter.
Peanut butter and syrup.
Wow.
It's so good.
You gonna put some jelly on it?
No,
That's a
I never tried that.
that's a lot of. You put a lot in the middle.
Then put it inside.
Looks yummy though, but I don't like it like that. Hello you guys, so right now I'm in the parking lot, so we just pick up our stuff there at the back. So right now I'm just gonna wait my husband because he going there to look at that sink. So I'm just gonna show you that later, guys, because right now we got a lot of stuff at the back, but we have trailer and we just pick up the sink for our workshop or house. So yeah, so we have sink. I'm just gonna put you here somewhere like that. I'm gonna wash my hands. So it's pretty hot outside, guys. You can see myself like really hot. So on the way here I was fall asleep in about like 2 hours drive, and yeah, so right now I feel like I'm thirsty, and then also I need to use the bathroom, but I cannot use the bathroom right now, guys, because the bathroom here is not public. So my husband is here. So yeah, just gonna wait for him. It's kind of like habit for me touching my hair while I'm doing some vlog. So do you like it?
Yeah,
I mean the two back there,
yeah. Oh, I do, but I don't.
not necessary. How much are they?
Well, the two back there are cheaper than the ones that we bought.
So more expensive what we bought.
Well, what happens is they put them on auction. They put them on for $80 a piece.
So nobody.
And nobody bid on them except for me.
So-
And I bid on two of them. So the two that nobody bid on, they put back up for sale, but lowered the price.
So how much?
$50.
Two of them?
Yeah,
No?
50 each.
At least we have a sink.
Yeah, so the next person, unless somebody else bids against them.
It's hot. Goodness.
But no, I'm happy with those. I think they'll clean up real good and stuff in them. I may have to buy some new faucets and yeah, it would be prettier without that nuclear plant. Half of those clouds are from that nuclear plant. Now make sure you go that way and see where the clouds are coming from.
There's a tree over up.
Now you can see it just a second now.
Yep.
Steam coming out. No deer.
No, I don't see any. I'm going to the back.
Okay.
Yan. So may walls na kami guys this side. Okay, let's go. It's 8:30 p.m. and then it's still light.